Hi everybody, Ray Hayden here, and this video is going to be a short one. This is a public comment that I made to the California Bar Subcommittee on Examinations, but my comment has to do with the entire bar exam being replaced by a process. Let's get into this thing. Before we start, I want to say make sure you give me a thumbs up, like the video, make a comment below, let me know you came by to say hi, and if you haven't already done so, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I make videos across a wide swath of subject matter, but let's get into my comment here today, all right? And I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. Thank you. Hi, Ray Hayden here, continuing to discuss my suggestion for an admissions process which has the following goals and objectives. Erase expenses for locations, proctors, graders, software licenses, and other costs and fees associated with the current bar exam. Move the process to be completely remote by using the current portal system we already use. This process has the goal to assure greater protection for the general public, assure greater competence levels in newly licensed lawyers, and guarantee a more diverse and balanced California Bar membership. Specifically, the program will save the California Bar millions of dollars. And this can be established by running up and running in time for the February 2024 California Bar Exam. How? The California Bar creates a series of modules which are designed from the ground up to enhance our mastery of vital issues newly licensed lawyers need to be competent in. The various subject area modules are all created at the same time, managed, controlled, and evolved by the California Bar. The modules will be designed to drill this information into our long-term memory. These would include quizzes and an exam on each module. The quizzes are designed to drive information into our long-term memory, as well as to aid our performance on the module exam, which is also designed to lock information into our long-term memory. There is no need to limit subjects in this program. All of the most important subjects should be included for a newly licensed lawyer. I am available for discussion and assistance in how this sort of program works, and it is already used by a number of entities. I created mine for my own business. The Federal Aviation Administration uses this technique for their written exams, which are numerous in subjects, from private pilots, commercial drone operators, and parachute riggers. The study of law, prepping for and passing the bar exam is not the actual practice of law. This admission process will change that. All right, so that's my public comment, and I'm going to keep this one here under 3 minutes. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, make a comment below, let me know you came by to say hi, and if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button, and I greatly appreciate that growth on the network. If you have any questions about what I'm talking about, check out the discussion below, and also wait for my other videos, which will come out soon. All right, thank you very much, take care, and be well.